In Canva, you can bulk create your content. You can create a content for an entire month in just a second. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So to start off this project, I have my Instagram blank page. The next thing I'm going to do is to get a template. I'll be working with a template, and the content I want to create is quotes. So let me search for templates on quotes. There are a lot of templates that we can choose from, but let me scroll down and get a template that's suitable for. All right, we can use this one. This one is called Pastel Pink Bold Minimalist Self-Love Quotes Instagram. So we can use this one. And let me change the content here. Let me change this daily reminder to quotes. The next thing we will do is to head over to our AI to generate the content for our Instagram post. So I use Google Gemini to generate the content. If you're not familiar with Gemini, it's similar to ChatGPT. So why I used it for this content is because it is easier for me to export it to Google Sheets, because the Google Sheet is what I'll be importing into Canva. So I asked Gemini to help me craft 20 quotes on branding suitable for Instagram posts. And I also asked it to put the quotes in a table. So this is the quote is generated and it's also in a table, 20 of them. So what I did was to quickly click on export to sheets. If you click on export to sheets, it will export to your Google Sheet. And then in your Google Sheet, in your Google Sheet is where you now download it and import into Canva. So once you generate the content, you click on export to sheets. So back here in Canva, let's go to apps. And then scroll down to find bulk create. It is the third item in my own apps category. So I'll click on it. Now there are two options. It's either you enter your data manually or you upload the data. And there are also formats supported by Canva. The formats are XLSX, and then CSV and TSV. So the file I'll be importing here is in CSV. So let me upload the data. I downloaded it in CSV format, so I'll be uploading it here in Canva from my Google Sheet. So the data has been uploaded. The next thing I will do here is to connect. Right click on the element in the page and connect it to the data. So I'll right click on this one and select connect data. I'll connect it to quotes, and then right click on this one here, connect data. I'll connect it to the author. That's where the author's name will appear. The next thing I'll do is to click on continue. Now I have about 22 designs selected, 22 data selected. So I'll scroll down because I only need 20. I don't need the source, so I'll uncheck the source and uncheck this link here, and then click on generate 20 designs. Once I click on this, it will open up a new page. So generate 20 designs. So here are the 20 quotes we just bulk created. You scroll down, you see that some of the quotes are bigger than they should be. You can either resize it or stretch it out. Just a minor editing that you need to do. to the quotes. Let's move this down a little more and stretch this out. So the 20 quotes, you see them. Just do minor adjustments where you need to, and that's it. You can post this content for 20 days, each of them for 20 days. You can even create more than 20 if you wish. You can use any template to try this. So this is how to bulk create in Canva.